Hey everyone, today we will explore the VS Code extension Prettier, which formats our unstructured code into a readable and adequately formatted style. Prettier is a code formatter that supports various languages and frameworks, including JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, and JSON. It's a powerful tool that can save time and effort by automatically formatting your code, making it more readable and maintainable. Now let's jump into VS Code to understand how Prettier works. Open the Extensions menu and click the Extensions button in the sidebar of VS Code. Type Prettier. You should see it as the first result. Click on it and hit Install. Once Prettier is installed, we need to configure it. In the top bar of VS Code, type User Settings and select the User Settings JSON option. Add Prettier configuration. Here we need to add 4 lines to enable Prettier. I will uncomment these lines now, which will be included in the description below. Enable Format on Save. Next, in the top search bar, enter User Settings again. Search for Format and enable the Format on Save option. This way, Prettier will format your code automatically whenever you save it. Now, let's head to our examples. The code in the first example looks messy, but if I press Ctrl S, the code is now perfectly formatted. Let's try another example. Again, you can see how the code looks terrible. But when I press Ctrl S, it gets formatted. This is how Prettier transforms our messy code into clean and perfectly formatted code. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Remember to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more such videos.